It's almost empty. Let's not waste it. Nah, damned winged rats. The fire escape. I'm sure there's better ways to get down there. I can't just talk to anything. Those pigeons look hungry and they're looking at me funny. I'm not taking the risk. Those pigeons look hungry and they're looking at me funny. I'm not taking the risk. Those pigeons... I don't think so. I don't think so. There just isn't enough room for all that trash. Mortimer! Ah, screw him. Oh, I'm not gonna get any closer. What if something attacks me? I don't think dressing up in green and going on a quest to find, at least not for the moment. I'm not cleaning that. That's Mortimer's job. It's always Mortimer's job. No can do, amigo. There's some kind of crust around the door that makes it impossible to open. I have no reason to do that. I don't need it. My life gauge is full. I should have never taken that green herb from the mansion. I have no reason to do that. I don't think so. Looks like Mrs. Grozer finds my adventure really thrilling. She's not even blinking. What's up, Mrs. Grozer? Enjoying the view? Great, okay, take care. I'm afraid to touch her. What if she turns out to be a ghost? I'm not a makeup artist. It's mine. I earned it. I haven't knocked anyone out with a hammer for over 7 years now. I'm clean. Oh, what am I now? The paper boy? I think I better keep it. That's my most useful item. I'm not giving it away. I better leave her alone. She seems pretty occupied. Or maybe not. I better leave her alone. She seems pretty occupied. Or maybe not. I'm afraid to touch her. What if she turns out to be a ghost? Looks like Mrs. Grozer finds my adventure really thrilling. She's not even blinking. Why on earth would I take a sock? Let's just leave it there. Why would I take the alarm clock with me? This way. I don't feel like doing that. I'm not jumping over the fence. That makes no sense. No way. The extendable duck is for serious business only. Hey, Officer Murray, how you doing?
Do I know you?
Of course you do. Don't you remember the Globe incident?
The Globe incident?
Yes, we narrowly escaped a certain death. Kinda like in Raiders of the Lost Ark? No? Nothing?
I'm afraid not, sir.
And later that night, after seeing my buddy's corpse, you gave me a ride home?
Please, sir, stop wasting my time. I'm on duty.
I see. To protect and serve.
Exactly. There'll be loads of people trying to sneak in. It's a koala bear convention. People are just crazy about those little fellas.
Well, then, I definitely don't belong here. Goodbye, Murray. I'm gonna miss you in this new episode of my life.
Yeah, sure.
I better not show this to him. Officer Murray, always willing to protect and serve. Maybe a punch in the face would encourage him, but nah, I don't know. Talking to Murray won't get me anywhere. I couldn't be less interested in that koala convention. Looks like the koala convention is today. Who the hell thought this up? Locked. Nothing better to fight fire with, except fire itself, of course. The doorbell. You never saw one before or what? I've never knocked on this door before, and I'm not gonna start now. Now is not the time.
Hey, where do you think you're going?
What's it to you?
The police have searched the place already. You won't find any clues in there.
What makes you think that's the reason I'm here? I was just gonna steal something.
Steal something? I thought he was your best friend.
Well, I don't think he'll mind, given the circumstances.
You're disgusting.
Yeah, I get that a lot lately. I'm not taking the companion cube. The poor thing's already suffered enough. Must not fall into temptation. A matchbox, almost empty. Must not fall into temptation. I'd rather not touch it. I can't seem to open it. I should have never quit the gym. Looks like there's something inside, probably something valuable, but the drawer's stuck. That makes no sense. No way. The extendable duck is for serious business only. I'm gonna pass. There's still some bits of mat left in it. Ugh. Besides, I've got bigger fish to fry right now. The Blend-O-Matic 9000. You won't find anything better on the market. I mustn't waste water. High-quality rat poison in liquid form. It's useless. That thing's been broken for a while. I can. It's locked from the outside. Which genius came up with that idea? I don't really need to take it. Right now, anyway. That's Matt's mug. There's still some booze in it. Ooh, strong booze. You know, this may sound weird, but I don't feel like getting drunk right now. I don't really need to take it. Right now, anyway. I have no business with the oven. A magnificent appliance, without a doubt.